Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to access password-protected apps and services faster. Windows Hello is a faster and more secure way to log on to your Windows 10 device and access any password-protected apps or online services. It uses something unique about you, such as a fingerprint or your face. You can even use a secure personal identification number, also known as PIN, if you don't have a camera or fingerprint reader. Here is how you can do it. Go to the Start menu, which looks like an angled 4-paned window at the bottom left of your screen. Type in the search box Settings and click on it. Locate where it's written Accounts and click on it. Go where it's written Sign In Options. First of all, if you have not set any password, you will have to do it. Once you're done, select a Windows Hello item to add, change or remove. You might select the fingerprint, password, or even the PIN. Not all Windows 10 devices are compatible. You can search online for devices which work with it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.